we can close out our practice time with the C style client as we do this client mapping and we practice what we are going to use to increase our sales. And when you're working with that analytical, serious, conscientious, intuitive, orderly style buyer, there are some specific things you want to do and some specific things you don't want to do. And we have those in the action in the DISC style guide, and you'll put those onto your action planning worksheet. And so go ahead and jot down some names. Be thinking through, what is it like to work with this style of client? And then a couple things I want to help you out here, give you some tips. And if you are a C style seller, then it's going to be easy for you. But just make sure that you put a timetable on when a decision will be made. Okay, we don't want to get caught in indecision, paralysis by analysis, and get caught in that. So don't do that. If you are a D style seller and you're talking to the C style buyer, you will need to take the time to walk them through the details. They can't make a decision like you with 20% of the information. They need more information. So be comfortable and confident and give it to them. Next, if you're an I, then you will have to come completely out of your comfort zone and provide them with facts, not stories, to prove your points. Okay? So you want to present facts and look those facts up before you create a proposal for this particular style. And then if you are an S style seller and you're talking to a C style buyer, you will need to be more direct and friendly, but minimize the small talk. So direct, want to be friendly, but we got to minimize that small talk. All right, so I want you to put together an action plan for that C style buyer, and share any expectations or requests from this style of buyer that you've received in the past, and kind of think into that as you're creating your action plan.